Hey everyone, I'm Akshit from Epoch Protocol. And so this is your users right now. People think users are really smart. Yeah, this whole slide is going to be full of memes. So yeah, you can enjoy this slide by whatever way you like. So yeah, your user is dumb. They do not know how to onboard to a DApp. They do not know how to buy an RWA. They do not know how to invest into US stocks. They do not know anything. This is everyone general user. Next one. Yeah, so agents were created to help exactly this cohort of the users. Uh, IQ level, yeah, you can count it on that one. But yeah, those who don't know what to do, and those who know a lot that they can do but cannot do anything. And then there are the nerds, which do not need agents, I guess. They'll do everything by themselves. They'll create their own agents. They won't, I don't think they're going to use anyone. So yeah, your agents are created for all these things. But can agent do everything for the users? Agent can do the intelligence part. They can gather the data from the internet. They can do all the things like capturing the data, finding the best solution. But can they actually do the transactions and do financial decisions on behalf of the users? Can they access capital market? Can they buy RWA token? Can they have access to payments or crypto rails? So yeah. And the other part is users want to invest into internet capital markets a lot right now, but government is holding them. So let's say if we are an Indian or if you are Latin American, you cannot invest into everything in US stocks or everything like that. There's a lot of hurdles over there. And Web3 started with the goal of inclusive finance so that we can have finance for everyone around the world without any geographic restrictions. So why not combine Web3 and agentic finance over there? So yeah, there's a lot of problems out there for everyone, and Epoch solves all of them. And what is Epoch protocol? It's not Hulk for sure, but yeah. Epoch gives you a one-click single API access to all the finance from any place. You can start from any place, from your agent, from your app, or anywhere. You can start from fiat, gold, RWA, USDT, meme coin on Solana, base, USDC, and anything. Just give us a single API call. Tell us what you want it to do. You need access to yield. You need access to stocks, RWS, prediction market. Do you want to go from Solana meme coin to directly putting bets on Polymarket? We have all these things. This is your users and this is your developers when they are doing all the integrations by themselves, managing all the things by themselves. You don't want to be this monkey, you always want to be this monkey, the chill monkey with the phone and the iPod. So yeah, we help you go from this monkey to that monkey. Again, you want to be this monkey, not that monkey. Now for the demo. So we have one demo. This is one of the app that we have created. So it uses AI to find out all the data and scrapes all the data and make a financial decision on behalf of yourselves. And then it can allocate your strategies like 10% USDT, 50% euro dollar, some more percentage of stocks or gold. And then it uses Epoch API in the backend to do all the transactions. User can start from any token or fiat or RW or gold or like any assets that they have, and then it is done. So this is one of the UI from, and the next one. And this is one of the agentic framework where you can literally use our API inside an agent. You can ask an agent to do a swap or like put your money onto Polymarket or do a yield, like find the yield for your RWA tokens. The agent will talk to the Epoch API, will give you back the code. They can sign the transactions. And then once it is done, it is shown on the block scan as well if you want to like skip ahead, Abhimanyu, on the block screen. So yeah, and the agent will do the transaction all with just a single API. They do not need anything more, just a single API, and we give you the wallet and everything over there. So yeah, you can think of anything, and Epoch can probably help you with that one. For example, next one. You can like, I want to put my XYZ like prediction on XYZ market on Polymarket using my meme coin on base. Done. Next one. Yeah, and get back to my ex? Probably not. You don't want to do that. But yeah, this is how Epoch works. You just tell us what you want to do, when you want to do. You give us a single API. We work with like around intent solvers. We work with intent solvers. We do all these things for you. This is the core Epoch part, which we have created, like the whole algorithm, like Google Maps, how to go from one asset to another asset to another asset, and then like the whole path. And then we finally settle it either on chain, off chain, whatever the end results are. Yeah, if you want to know more about Epoch Protocol, just scan this QR code, connect with me on Telegram or on Twitter. And yeah, that's us. Any questions so far? Yeah.
Can you speak about like governance, risk, and compliance? When I see something like take my self-custody wallet, use an Hermes agent, and say I want to trade my meme coin for an official bet on Polymarket. that's going over some organizational like guardrails that make me nervous.
So the way Epoch works, it's always sit behind the UI. So we do not have a B2C application by ourselves. We're going to sit behind Polymarket, Kalshi, or anyone. So all the compliance part is taken care by the Polymarket team itself. So it's not on us. We just provide the rails to go from any place to any place. It's like a pipeline that we provide inside a house. So your asset can go flow from one place to another. That's what we do. On the governance part, like the way we calculate the route and codes and everything is decided by a network of solvers. So every solver gives out their own code, like I'll charge 1% fees to go from USDT to USDC on base, and I'll charge this percent, and then we combine multiple of these solvers to find you the best rate and best code for everything. Now, this can be like there's a competition between solvers, so that's how we can provide you the best rates using the governance over there. I hope that's the governance that you're talking about, and that covers the legal compliance aspect that you have. Like we carry it forward to the clients that we work with. Yeah. 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 So Epoch smart contracts never hold custody. It's just a pipeline. So it just goes from one place to another, and we just carry on the Google Maps kind of routing that what train or what bus you want to use for that thing.